Guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here again in Cornish Beach. See, uh, the water is low tide because the water is down. But I think it's going up. The water is coming up. See, I'm always instead of lying down in the bed because today is my rest day. I'm coming here to exercise at the same time to have sunlight, morning sunlight. Today is my rest day, but instead of staying at home, I want to exercise and to have sunlight, morning sunlight. Anyway, guys, today is weekend. Enjoy your weekend. I'm always doing this if I don't have appointment in the morning. See, that side is Mina Port. But see, today is foggy. I think last night because I'm sitting there, the chair, that one not. It's wet. Raining last night. Even the floor, it's wet. Maybe that's why it's foggy because of the raining last night. Look at the bird. They're playing. They're playing. The bird is playing. Hello, birdie. How are you? Two birds is playing. I think that's a girl and the boy. Let's see. Not too much people today because the one who fasting in the morning, they sleep early morning and until now they're still sleeping. That's why very few people this time. Maybe this afternoon there's so many people coming here to walking to see the sunset. My favorite is the sun. See, there it's coming out already. Today is weekend. Enjoy your weekend. And have a nice day, everyone. Bye. Don't forget to like my video. Heart, leave a comment or suggestion if you can have a suggestion. It's welcome to leave a suggestion in my comment section. If you have advice how to improve my content. And don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.